As we're here today, just going to do a few different changes. So one of my changes I've done, you can't really see it very well, but I have soldered the ends of my cables just to make them a bit easier to go in, because I have dual voice call speakers which end up two sets of cables going into one. So as you can see, not very pretty, but it solders two cables into one to make it nice and easy to go in a terminal and straight in, no issues. So a few more of these to put on, get the speakers in, and I should get better connections. The reason why I've ended up gutting these speakers out of my car, let's be careful of that, gutting the speakers out of my car, was because terminals back here had a bit of a mishap, so I ended up replacing them with gold plated terminals and new bolts. If that causes me any issues, melts or anything like that, which it possibly could, so I'm pushing quite a bit of power now, I would just end up drilling a hole somewhere and just passing the cable through. But we'll wait till that happens, because it's only one cable that's going to burn off. They're not both going to burn off at the same time. So when one does, if it does, I'll run the cable straight through. A lot of you probably say you should just do it anyway, but yeah, it's only got to last me another 2 to 3 months, because I'm going to start another project, another build, because I'm literally done with this car, I think, now. I'm going to carpet these in a second, so they'll be done, and my ones for the doors, and that is it. We are finished.